Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to go about updating Windows 11 to the latest version without having to worry about any data loss. There's always a chance of data loss whenever you turn on your computer, but generally speaking, this should be a pretty safe way just to check for updates. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process, and let's go ahead and jump right into it. So we're going to start off by opening up the search icon, and you want to search for updates. Best match should come back with check for updates. Go ahead and open that up. And you want to select the check for updates button. And if there are any updates available, they should automatically begin downloading. This is both quality and feature updates, so bigger and smaller updates should all be included in here. However, I will also show you guys another way how to do it. So this may be a little bit early because Windows 11 is still in the beta period. But if we go on to Google, so I'll show you guys the example for Windows 10. I'm assuming that Microsoft will offer something very, very similar for Windows 11 here. So if you search for Windows 10 Media Creation Tool, just go ahead and search for that. One of the best matches will come back with download Windows 10 disk image. Go ahead and open it up. Again, you would just select download Windows 11. I'm almost positive that Microsoft will make a page for this, down the road. And there'll be update now options just to go ahead and update your computer. So it'll be an update assistant can help you update to the latest version of Windows. Again, you'll select the update now button. So this is all for Windows 10 at the moment. You can see on this page, but I will strongly bet on Microsoft releasing a page for Windows 11. So when you Google it, you just would change it to Windows 11 and they would have a page that would look very similar to this. So you could just update your version of Windows directly from here. So pretty straightforward process, guys. Do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.